Hello friends, this is Milani Hachansu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing miseenscéne's Perfect Serum Rose Edition. It claims that a hair serum that nourishes hair with delicate damask rose scent, nourishes damaged hair with 7 types of oils, argan, camellia, marula, olive, jojoba, coconut and apricot oils. This serum is great for treating split ends, dry, tangled, rough hair, improving the hair strength, shine and elasticity. It comes in a transparent red plastic bottle with pump. The bottle comes with a protective cap. The serum smells like roses. It doesn't have any color. It is non-sticky and has lightweight but thick texture. This serum spreads well. I have very rough, dry and wavy hair that aren't easy to detangle even when wet. After shower, I take a pump and apply it on all my hair, avoiding roots. This one little pump spreads evenly on my hair, leaving it soft, tangle-free and less frizzy. It isn't greasy, but it can be greasy if applied a lot as it has thick texture. Look how easily the brush is going till the ends of my hair as if it never had tangles. My hair feels glossy too. This is the first method I use after washing my hair. The second method to use it is on dry hair. I have frizzy, rough and tangled hair, so I apply 1 pump of miseenscéne serum on all my dry hair, avoiding roots. It makes hair soft and bouncy. The best part is that little goes long way. It has mild scent of roses which isn't overpowering. It doesn't leave sticky residue on palms, the hair don't weigh down by it. It's non-sticky and detangles hair within seconds. It makes hair glossy too. It keeps hair silky till the next wash. But if you apply too much serum, then it can weigh down hair. It doesn't protect hair against heat as well. I will rate it 5 by 5. It has become my holy grail from last 3 months now. I will definitely recommend it to you guys.